Good morning, Kate.
Good morning. I apologize.
That's fine. Do you need to speak to your client or do you want the
No.
prosecutor?
The prosecutor, please. I visited Mr. McDay yesterday.
All right. I'm going to put you in the breakout room with him already. All right.
Oh, just with the prosecutor?
Yes. Yes.
Yes, thank you.
Ms. Murphy, did you need to speak to the prosecutor regarding your client?
That would be fine. Yes, thanks.
All right. I'm going to put you in the breakout room.
Thank you.
Madam Clerk, we're ready on Haynes.
What are you doing with it?
We're pleading, he's reducing it to a civil and we're pleading responsible to a civil.
Okay. The judge will be in just a few minutes.
Thanks a lot. Mr. Haynes, just follow my lead on this, okay?
Yes, sir.
Madam Clerk,
Yes, sir.
I also have Najee Goodman, so I have both defendants.
All right. Thank you very much.
Mhm.
I'm guessing Mr. Marr was probably your attorney originally. Probably back in the day. Yeah, probably. You're gonna speak to the judge on your own? Okay, the prosecutor will probably be there to just listen to whatever's going on. Okay, so you'll state your case on your own. Okay? All right, you're aware.
Oh, so we're gonna need a prosecutor then for that, huh?
Probably, I'm gonna go tell him now.
Okay.
Kate, do you need a breakout room with your client or you're good?
I'm good, thank you.
Okay, we'll wait for Miss Murphy to come out, find out if what's going on with that one, and then we can go. Patricia? Patricia Mandernach?
Good morning, how are you?
Good morning, I'm fine. You're on the Najee Goodman case too, correct?
Yep.
Okay, I'm gonna throw you in this breakout room, with these people. Hold on, let me make you
Alright.
co-host first. And throw you in there. Kate, what are we doing on your case? Just so, I mean, are we adjourning? Are we scheduling? What are we doing?
I am waiting on discovery on this, on the second case. I'm with setting an exam today, just as long as the court knows I'm still waiting to confirm I've received all the discovery.
Okay, so then, we'll wait for the judge.
Okay.
Thanks. Are we ready for Goodman also? Okay. Then let me, get the judge out in a minute.
Where I go for the tickets?
I'm fine, how are you? Oh, alrighty.
I'm with the tech.
Hi.
I might fill in every now and then. It's my phone vacation.
Hi, nice to meet you. Yes, nice to meet you.
Sorry, he'll be out in a minute. All right, is this where I'm pulling for traffic matters? Yes, yeah, just come stand over here. Remember, prosecution's always closest to the,
To the jury. Yeah, the last court I was in, it was like right here.
yeah, you always, prosecutor always is close to the jury. You know where the jury's at, that's where you go. Boom.
Perfect. Yep, that's the way it is.
You know, we have executed agreement. You have to be here for that.
No, I enjoyed it. Oh, interesting.
All rise. Good morning, this court now in session. The Honorable Judge Oakley presiding.
Good morning, folks. Have a seat.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, Mr. Bowditch. Are you ready on Haynes?
No, Your Honor, I have Tyson and Little.
All right.
I have,
What are we doing on Ricky Haynes?
We're ready on that, Your Honor.
Ah, okay. Now that I know to look for it. Appearance, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Peter Kowinski appearing on behalf of the people, P 84448.
Good morning.
Good morning, Judge. Good to see you. Scott Weinberg, P4587, on behalf of Mr. Haynes.
Good morning. It's been a while.
It's been a while, Judge. Good to talk to you.
Good. Good. All right. What are we doing with Mr. Haynes' file?
Your Honor, at this time, the prosecutor has offered to reduce this, given the situation, my client's out of state status, and the fact he has no priors, to a civil infraction of double parking, and we're going to take advantage of that and plead responsible.
All right. I'm looking. Do I have Mr. Haynes, or are you entering the plea for him? Oh, there he is.
He is
Good
on.
morning, Mr. Haynes.
He is on, Your Honor.
Yeah. He had a tie on. I thought he was another attorney waiting for me. All right. Mr. Haynes, is that the way you want to take care of this matter today?
Yes, Judge.
All right. I will accept your plea of responsible to double parking. I will dismiss the misdemeanor. Gentlemen, was there any agreed upon fines and costs?
Just double parking.
All right, $200 fines and costs. That money's due within 5 days, Mr. Haynes. That means pay it within 5 days or make other arrangements to pay it within that 5-day period. You can do all that on our website. Any questions, gentlemen?
None from me, thank you.
No, Your Honor.
Have a great day, gentlemen.
You too.
Thank you, Judge.
Got it. All right, how about on the People versus Made? That's McDay, that's a C. McDay,
Yes. Defense is ready.
your appearance, please.
Neighborhood Defender Service, Kate DeMott Grady, 8667, on behalf of Mr. DeAndre McDay, who is in Wayne County Jail. Mr. McDay, please state your name.
I'm DeAndre McDay.
This one yours too, counsel?
Good morning, Your Honor. Peter Kowinski appearing on behalf of the people, P 84448.
All right, and what are we doing on this one, Mr. Margrady?
Your Honor, as to the unlawful driving away case, I have received paper discovery and provided a copy to Mr. McDay. We have not received any digital. The APA stated that he would check to see if there is any digital and provide it to me by the end of the day. I just want to let the court know that's outstanding. And then on the receiving concealing, I don't have that paper discovery yet, though I was also told I will get a link for that today. So,
So what are you asking me to do? You want to adjourn the PCC? You want to set a date for an exam? What are we doing?
can we adjourn the PCC? Well, let's set a date for an exam. And then I'll let the court know if there's any outstanding issues ahead of that.
Okay. How about January 18th?
People don't object to that date, Your Honor.
Does Your Honor
Defense?
be in the afternoon?
I can give you a date or a time anywhere from 10:30 to 1:30.
Could we do noon?
Sure. And we're at both files, correct?
Yes, please.
All right. Anything as to bond?
Yes, Your Honor. Currently, Mr. McDay has a $20,000 10% bond. He's 32 years old. He did graduate from University of Michigan Dearborn. At this time, he is single and has no children. At this time, the $2,000 is just not affordable at all for him. Basically like a remand. And at this point, we're asking for a personal bond.
People have any position on bond?
Your Honor, people feel that we object. We feel that $2,000 in a cash bond is fairly reasonable given the nature of his charges.
Okay, just so we're clear, I don't care what the charges are. I want to know, is he risk to himself or others if he's out on the street? And is there a likelihood he won't show up for some reason? Let's talk about those two factors. I know what the charges are. So let's talk about those two factors. What information do the people have about his likelihood to show up or his danger to society?
Unfortunately, Your Honor, we don't have any information about whether he's likely, if he's like if he's a flight risk. However, given the nature of his charges, he definitely seems like he could be a danger to society and to others. So
Because he's a thief.
yes.
Okay. All right. Anything else, counsel?
Just that he's lived in the Detroit area his whole life. Family's here. He has very strong ties to the community. And yes, this does involve a receiving concealing. However, it's not a violent offense against him. And I would ask again for a personal bond.
All right. And before we finish up on bond, Mr. McDay, it looks like we've got a couple files, 2 civil infractions out of Huron Township for 2020. I'm not worried about you taking care of them now because obviously you're in custody, but I just want to let you know you owe us $564. Looks like you never did anything on these. So at some point you got to get on board with us and set up a payment plan to take care of them. Understood?
I don't recall those cases right there. Could I have a breakout with my attorney?
Well, she doesn't know anything about them either because they're civil infractions. So when you're in court or when you're out on the street, you want to just come into the court and we'll pull up the file, show you everything we've got on it, see if we can ring a bell for you. Got it?
I agree.
All right. So exam date is January 18th, 12 noon. Bond on each file is $10,000 personal. Cooperate with your attorney, be in court on January 18 and stay out of trouble. Understood?
Understood.
Raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm and acknowledge the debt payable to the court in the amount of $10,000 on each of these 2 files if you violate bond?
I swear and affirm these 2
All right.
files.
We'll see you in a couple weeks.
Thank you. Your Honor, may I have a breakout room with him now, please?
Yep, we can do that.
And I'll be in for an 11:30 exam, so I'll see you all shortly.
Okay.
They can't go in a breakout room yet till we're done with Mr. Goodman.
Ah.
Mr. Goodman handled
All
his
right.
case.
You got that, Mr. Migrady?
No, I wasn't able to hear that.
We can't put Mr. McDay, you put your hand down, brother. Sorry. We can't put you in a breakout with Mr. McDay because we're going to use that chair to take care of another defendant. Then we'll put Mr. McDay back in and put you in a breakout.
Perfect. I'll just wait. Thank you.
All right. So just be patient with us, Mr. McDay.
Yes.
McDay. And appearances on the People versus Najee Goodman.
Kathy Murphy for Mr. Goodman, Your Honor. P51422.
Try it again, counsel. I'm sorry.
Good morning, Your Honor. Patricia Mandernack for the People, P84088.
All right. And Mr. Goodman, can you hear us okay?
Yes, sir.
All right. And Ms. Murphy, what are we doing on these files?
Judge, it's my understanding that Mr. Goodman has an appointment at the Forensic Center on January 31st. As Your Honor knows, he has pending cases in Frank Murphy. He went before Judge Michael Callahan yesterday. He was, his bond was reinstated with a tether. I believe Your Honor has put a 250, 10% bond on Mr. Goodman. You know, Your Honor, that I'm going to ask you to reduce that bond to something affordable.
All right, so I've got 2 files. One file's got that 250, 10% with a GPS tether. That would be the February 5, 2022 incident date. And then the other file, which is the misdemeanor file from May 10, 2019, he's just on a personal on that one with a GPS tether.
Right, and you know,
So
Your
he-
Honor, that I don't represent him on the DV.
Right, right. But he finally does have a date for a forensic exam?
Yes, Judge.
Okay, all right. So you just want to adjourn the PCC?
Yes, Judge. And,
right.
and ask for a reduction in bond.
Thank you. And Mr. Goodman, have you talked to an attorney on the domestic violence case? Or are you representing yourself on that one?
I have nobody to represent me. I think it was Lanford or something was supposed to be my attorney. I'm not sure how it went south.
Okay. All right, well, let's do this. Let's adjourn. How far out do you want to go? Just sometime in February, or how long is it gonna take us to get our report?
I think
Ms.
30
Murphy?
days for a report, Judge, so it would have to be March.
All right, I've got a March 1 date. Let's set a
Um,
PCC on the felony file. We'll just set a pretrial date with the other one.
Okay,
Counsel, that work for you? March 1?
Yes, Your Honor, March 1st.
Yeah. Actually, no. That, I'm looking at exam days.
Come in.
Any reason I can't do a March 1st PCC?
thank you.
Yeah. All right.
Okay, thank you.
So we'll do a PCC on March 1. We'll do it at 8:30 because of his status. As I said, we're going to set the DVs for a pretrial date on that same date. All right, counsel, go ahead and make your bond argument. But before you do, just so we're all on the same page, my notes say it's 25,000, 10%, no contact with complaining victim, and GPS tether. Is that your understanding?
So Judge, I thought it was 250,000, 10%,
It is. I don't know
25,000.
what I just said, but
Oh.
what my file says 250, well, yeah, 250,000, 10%, correct.
So Judge, I mean, obviously that's unaffordable. Mr. Goodman is not a man of means. He and his significant other just acquired new housing, Your Honor. They have a baby. Mr. Goodman needs to be there to assist with childcare responsibilities because both of them were working before Mr. Goodman was taken into custody. I know we've had some issues, Your Honor, with appearing in court. Mr. Goodman has had transportation issues with respect to getting to the forensic center, and that was his issue, Judge. The tether violation was simply a malfunction of equipment. So I would ask Your Honor to, and since they do not have means, Your Honor, I would ask Your Honor to reduce I'm asking Your Honor for a personal with the tether.
Response. And counsel, you don't have to jump up to talk to me. I know it's instinctive, but it's okay if you don't.
Thank you, Your Honor. It is instinctive. Your Honor, in this case, he is before us for a misdemeanor DV. I understand he does have some pending felonies. I understand he's on a GPS tether for the felonies. I believe at this time, the most important thing is that he remain on, or that if he is released, he has remained on he remains on a GPS tether. So in this case, I would not object to a personal bond.
All right. Ms. Murphy, unfortunately, this is one of those situations where I don't care what the parties think, because I've got a long history. This building's got a long history with Mr. Goodman not showing up in court. So I set the bond for that reason. I'm keeping the bond as it is for that reason. It's not just
Thank you,
failure
Judge.
for the forensic. He doesn't show up for court dates on a regular basis.
Thank you,
Good luck,
Judge.
Mr. Goodman.
Thank you.
You're
Thank you,
welcome.
Your Honor.
You're welcome. All right, now if we can get
McDay?
breakout room set up.
I got it. Is Miss McGrady in the jail?
He's wrong. He's got to raise notice.
Okay.
Yeah, everybody else is here.
Your Honor and staff, once Mr. McDay is done with his counsel, he's done for the day.
I'm sorry, I didn't hear you.
Good morning, Your Honor. When Mr. McDay is done with counsel, does he need to come back to court or he's done?
No, we're going to put him in a breakout room with his attorney. If you can give us the ability to do that.
Okay.
Thank you, Corporal.
Yes, sir.
Are we ready on Shantae Lilly?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, come on up and tell me what we're doing.
Your Honor, for the record, Jeffrey Bowden, 45367. Speaking on behalf of and with Miss Lilly, who is approaching. Ma'am, could you tell the judge your name for the record, please?
Shantae Little.
Good morning.
Thank you. Your Honor, today's the date and time set for show cause hearing. We have met with prosecutors. We do have an executed agreement subject to court approval in which Miss Lilly would be pleading responsible to an added count of double parking with the understanding the original citation would be dismissed.
All right. Is that your understanding?
Yes.
That's the way you want to resolve this today?
Yes.
All right. I will accept your plea Fines and costs on this one, $250. That money is due within 5 days. That means pay it within 5 days or make other arrangements. You can do either one downstairs today. Pay it or set up arrangements.
Set up arrangement.
All right.
You can go
Good luck.
and do that. I'll talk to you soon.
Thank you.
Judge,
You're welcome.
Judge, we have attorney, Erica Morgan here is here for LeVar Harris. It's a MSA set at 9:15. It's a motion to set aside the conviction.
All right. Counsel, your appearance.
Good morning, Your Honor. Erica Morgan, PA 2488, on behalf of Mr. LeVar Harris. I am standing in for the attorney of record, Ms. Christina Gerges, through Project Clean Slate. Thank you.
All right, and Mr. Harris, is that all right with you? Does she stand in? You're muted.
Yes, it is.
Thank you. Counsel, is this one yours?
I don't think so. I have to just double check, to be honest with you. Is it up for a motion today? you said?
Motion to set aside, correct. Okay, okay.
I gotta go look at my physical docket too. I don't know if that one's even hours. Can I have?
Sounds like it's not on your docket.
It is on their docket. They just don't.
Oh.
I don't know that they were notified of,
Mhm.
and the charges aren't even on there, so you wouldn't know.
Yeah, I don't remember. I don't believe I've seen this on.
Yeah, it's a DWLS second from 03. And let's see what the AG said. And it looks like the AG has no objections. Would you agree, Ms. Morgan?
Yes, Your Honor. We were in receipt of the
All right.
attorney's letter as well.
I know I'm catching you with no warning. Any objections?
No objection, Your Honor.
Thank you. All right, counsel, I'm not seeing an order or proposed order, but you win.
Okay.
Give me some paperwork and I'll sign it.
Okay, Your Honor. Thank you. We'll send that paperwork in to you today, Your Honor. Thank you.
All right, Mr. Harris, have a great day.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much.
Have a great one, Your Honor. Have a good one.
All right, now, Mr. Bouch, I think we're ready on Tyson.
Thank you, Your Honor. Your Honor, for the record, Jeffrey Bowers, appearing on behalf of and with Ms. Tyson, who's approaching. Ma'am, could you give your name to the judge, please?
Sabrina Tyson.
Good morning, ma'am.
Your Honor, today's date and time set for a pretrial in this, or set for a show cause in this. No, I think this is a pretrial. We've met with prosecution. We do have an executed plea agreement. Ms. Tyson would be pleading guilty, pleading responsible to an added count of double parking with the understanding the two original citations would be dismissed.
All right. Is that the way you want to handle this today, ma'am?
Yes.
All right, I'll accept your plea of responsible. Fines and costs $350. That money is due within 5 days or make arrangements to pay it within that 5-day period. Understood?
Understood.
Any questions?
No questions.
All right, you heard me tell the lady downstairs, you can take care of that.
Thank you.
Good luck.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Are we ready on Richard Respondek? Come on up, sir. All right.
Good morning, Your Honor. Richard Respondek.
Pardon me?
Say good morning.
Good morning. You have made a motion to set aside a conviction from a July 2005 4th-degree child abuse misdemeanor, correct?
Correct.
All right.
And also a case that was dismissed on a domestic violence from 2006.
Yeah, it's
Oh,
it's
okay.
already dismissed, so I
okay.
can't set aside a non-conviction.
Oh, okay.
If that makes sense.
When I
Yeah.
pulled up the thing, it gave me.
No problem.
Thank you, Your Honor.
No problem. And same thing, they don't know anything about these either, prosecutor?
I talked to, no, they don't.
No.
I mean, he might.
Safe to assume that neither one of you people from the prosecutor's office know anything about the Richard Respondek motion to set aside?
Your Honor, I'm checking right now.
Sure.
I apologize, Your Honor. What was the last name?
Respondek. Like responder, but change the last R to a K.
Yeah.
Right?
Yep, or respond with an ek at the end.
Counsel, which one you got? Up next. Joe. He's gonna have to fill that out. I don't do your paperwork for you.
Okay.
So I'm assuming I'm gonna grant your request as soon as I give the prosecutor a chance to figure out where they're at.
Okay.
And then you'll have to fill that out and I'll look it over. You two need a minute? I'll pass on this, no big deal. Mr. Respondent will not mind waiting.
No,
Yes, Your Honor, I can try to pull it up.
That's fine.
Thank
That's
you.
fine. Just step back. Actually, start working on that.
yes, I will. Thank you, Your Honor.
Counsel, come on up, please, and Gilden.
I need a few minutes to get my computer while counsel's doing her thing here.
Okay. Your appearance.
Good morning, Your Honor. Good morning to your staff. Neighborhood Defender Services by Ken Riggin, P82125 on behalf of Ms. Shayla Gilden, who stands with me to my right.
She's here for an arraignment as well today. Would you waive formal reading?
I do, Your Honor. Waive formal reading, I support the plea not guilty on my client's behalf.
Done, thank you. And what are we doing today, counsel?
Your Honor, I guess we need to set this matter for a pretrial. Unfortunately, I was just able to speak to my client about the amended charges in this case. So we're just asking for
Is this the one?
pretrial date.
Okay, okay. I just want to make sure this was the file she was telling me about yesterday. It started out as a felony, amended down.
Yes.
Okay, okay. So we need some time to do discovery and everything else. How far out you want to go for pretrial?
We have a couple of weeks at the breakdown.
Mr. Riggins, you're gonna stay on the case even though we were.
Appointed as a felony?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, and it's up to you, otherwise we have NIPC here. There's usually NDS.
That's true. Yeah, I didn't
They
think of
don't stay
that.
with it.
We want to make sure you get paid.
Yeah.
They might not pay you for a misdemeanor.
I usually don't worry about that. Not at the moment.
Well, bless your heart. Sure. Yeah. No, I didn't even catch it. It's so unusual from the men down.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm going to stay on the case.
Okay, great. So January 18, 25.
This is a domestic, which is going to change to a Tuesday.
Okay. I don't have any of those, so you tell me what we got.
Do you know when your next Tuesday is? I believe, isn't it the 2nd and 4th? Yes. So the next one would be the
23rd.
24th.
Tuesday, yeah, 24th. That one work, counsel? 24th?
24th works, Your Honor.
That works? All right. That work too? 9:30?
9:30 works, Your Honor. There is one last issue. Your
Yeah,
Honor.
go ahead. I got to set a bond too, so we're not done yet. Go ahead.
You know what? I'd rather wait to hear you set the bond, Your Honor. That may.
Okay. So tell me something about your client.
Your Honor, my client is. Your Honor, my client is 30 years old, right? She was working at a server in Ypsilanti. She is the mother of a child. She does not have an extensive criminal record. In fact, she has one prior history for my notes, Your Honor. This is a situation involving that child. We don't, again, I need to speak with her as to what she had, what we believe should happen, but I don't believe she's facing any significant jail time, if any jail time is any. We ask that a reasonable personal bond be set.
Mhm.
And in fact, I will bring up the other issue, Your Honor. The child in this matter is with the father at this time.
Is that Mr. Hill? The
Yes.
father, Mr. Hill, the complainant in this matter?
Yes.
Is the father?
Yes, and Your Honor, the child is with Mr. Hill. My client would like to get her child back, but the pretrial bond order said that she could not have any contact whatsoever with Mr. Hill. And to be quite honest, my client is scared about being reapprehended, put back in jail. So she has not had any contact. So we'd like that amended to where she can't have any assaultive contact so that she can retrieve her child.
Okay. Okay,
Your Honor.
so I just want to make sure we're all arguing the same thing. So you want to be able to have contact and you want to go to a personal bond.
As far as contact, she doesn't really want to have contact with him. She just wants to retrieve her child.
Okay, so we could do like a third party drop off, or they could meet at a PD somewhere and drop off, that kind of thing.
That's fine, Your Honor.
So this file's all messed up. Where do you live? Miss Gilden, where do you live?
I live in Ypsilanti.
All right, and where's Dad live?
in
Geographically?
Sumter.
Okay, all right.
There's two.
So Sumter PD would probably be. You gotta speak up, I can't hear you. She's talking, we've got a lot going on.
Your Honor, if we can do it in Ypsilanti, that'd be fine. Unfortunately, because Sumter Township arrested her, she has a little bit of apprehension.
I can understand that. You can't set that up without talking to somebody, I assume, your victim. You have contact information for him? I hope?
Your Honor, and good morning, Your Honor, Patricia Mandinek for the people in this matter. In this case, I would object to amending the no contact order to no assaultive contact. I know that the main issue here is that defendant wants to be able to do a custody and parenting time exchange with the complaining witness so that she can see the minor child. I believe that in this case, we don't need to amend the contact order. I believe that the parties can use, as indicated, they can use a third party to exchange the minor child. They could possibly do it at a police station. Again, this could be arranged through third parties. I believe, I don't think we should get too, I don't think this court should get too specific regarding specifics regarding with things like location and frequency, because I think that's best left to the jurisdiction of the family division. of the
I don't
circuit court.
disagree. Go ahead.
With the, I just want to correct something. My client does not wish to see her child. She wished to get custody of her child.
Is there a custody order at all?
No, and that's the point, Your Honor. The father in this case does not have any legal, he's not on birth certificate.
Right.
There's nothing been in court. There's no order of affiliation.
He's no different than me at this point.
Right. Legally, he's babysitting his child. She just wants to retrieve her child.
Right, right. Okay.
So, yeah.
So if I leave the order as it is, and just clarify that as long as, for example, there's somebody that gets along with you and Mr. Hill, whether or not it's his grandmother or a friend or somebody, if you contact them and get it set up that way, we'll do it that way. I'm not gonna order that she go retrieve the child, because if he doesn't want to give the child up, then it's a friend of the court issue. Or it's a police issue at that point.
Legal issue because of criminal
It's a
contempt
police issue at that point, right? We can talk about the personal versus cash, but I think I'm gonna leave the no contact with the idea that I'm not going to violate you if the contact is just through a third party to try to set up the exchange of the child.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay. Any objection to a personal bond in this situation?
No, Your Honor.
Okay. All right. So that's what we'll change. We'll change it from a, what is it now?
It is actually now a personal bond. I believe it's a $10,000 personal bond for felony.
All right. Well, certainly we don't need the $10,000 personal on a misdemeanor charge. We'll do a $1,000 personal. And as I said, I'm going to continue the no contact.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. With that clarification that third party contact only about exchanging the child is okay.
Thank you.
All right. So we'll see you back on the 24th, 9:30.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Good luck, Ms. Gilbert. Are we ready on Mr. Respondek, or did I pull you away from that too quick?
Your Honor, I am not able to find any specific notes about Respondek. I can step out and give APA.
DB, yeah.
It's on Mr.
Oh.
Yeah.
That explains why I don't have it.
Well, that might not be all the explanation though. Mr. Bowditch, are you ready on West?
Ready, Your Honor.
Mr. West, come on up.
Your Honor, for the record, Jeffrey Bowditch appearing on behalf of and with Mr. West, who is approaching. Sir, could you tell the judge your name for the record, please?
William Walden West III.
Good morning.
Your Honor, today is the date and time set for arraignment in this matter. We waive form of reading and stand mute. We also have an executed plea agreement subject to court approval, in which Mr. West would pleading responsible to the charge of double parking, with the understanding his 2019 case would be dismissed.
Is that the way you want to take care of this today, Mr. West?
Yes, sir.
He also has a bond.
I see that, 150.
He can complete the payments today.
Well, you don't know what the total is yet.
We're
So,
confident.
so don't be too rash. That almost sounded like you were challenging.
No, sir. No, Your Honor.
Go ahead, set it high, he'll pay it.
Yeah.
All right, well, what my hesitation is, Mr. West, we got a lot of late fees on this file. And I'm gonna get some of them, and I'm not gonna get all.
And also, Your Honor, I cleared all my tickets up with Romulus.
Good, good.
I have one more court date on the 23rd, and also paid off the impeding traffic that I had.
Beautiful,
I'm trying
beautiful,
to get
cleaning
everything-
things up.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. All right, total fines and costs $400. We've got $240 worth of late fees. I usually hit $200 on this, so I'm gonna hit you 200 late fees, 200 regular fines and costs for a total of 400. That's due within 5 days. That means pay it within 5 days or make other arrangements.
Okay.
So if you go downstairs, oh, we got another one here too. Looks like you got oh, that's the one you're talking about. Pretrial coming up on a drovable license suspended charge, January 23rd, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right, so go downstairs. You can either pay it downstairs or make arrangements to pay it.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome.
Have a
nice
good day.
When you come back on the 23rd, I might be.
They got me on the Zoom meeting.
All right, well, I still, almost somebody else. They should be talking about. Okay. All right. All right. Thank you.
Any luck, Mr. Kwinsky?
No luck at all, but I have a question for Madam Clerk. Are there any defense attorneys that wanna meet with me? Because I'm here, I don't know if I should be.
I don't know. There's nothing on Zoom for you, so there could be out in the hall.
Okay.
I'm gonna let you go out there and talk to him, find out right now. Come on up, sir. Mr. Respondent, I've got the paperwork from the Attorney General's office. I don't see any reason not to grant your request. Hearing no objections from the prosecutor's office, you win.
Thank you.
Let me see what you filled out, and let me see if I can sign it.
No, I don't.
I gotta ask the clerk about that.
Thank you.
Looks good. All right, you don't get it yet. We have paperwork to do, and then we'll get you a copy.
All right, thank you, Your Honor.
All right, just have a seat, be patient. We'll take care of you.
Okay.
Nobody online looking for us. Thank you.
Yeah, no, there might be a defense attorney in a few minutes that wants to talk to me about a case.
And security knows you're in here, so if anybody's looking for you, they know where to send them.
Perfect. Yeah, I know that you normally do things live, so I wasn't sure if I still need to be in the breakout room on Zoom and the other
Well, you
room.
will if we get anybody on Zoom. So,
Okay.
yeah, so I don't know if you want to wait out in your prosecutor office.
Go back to your hole, prosecutor. That's what she's trying to say.
Yeah, until we need you back in here.
All right, yeah, that's where you want me
All
to.
right. Seriously though, don't sweat it, because our people are real good at shuffling the bodies. So when we need you in here, we'll let you know.
All right, yeah, that would be great. Thank you.
We'll go back to our cave, Judge.
Yeah, we'll find you. Thank you.
Don't let the prosecutors come out.
Only one needed. So far, we had one of these show causes show up.
So, Mr. West, are we including his 45 suspension? You know,
I didn't think that was a thing anymore.
we still have it on there that we want our money. So I don't know.
I didn't think we could collect it.
Yeah, we can collect it, we just don't send it to the state, we just.
Just, yeah, take it out of the 400.
Okay.
Now that I know that, I'll start adding it in.
Sorry, but can you put that 201 phone in the middle so that Maria can answer it when I try to call her? Okay, so on William West, he owes $400, that includes with, his regular fee, 400 total people. So that includes that 45 that's on that other. Plus the 15. 45 and 15 on the bond, and then, no. He was the 340 plus, he has 400 total. Whoop. Yeah, that's the 45 plus the 15 at DWLS. That's on a totally different case that has nothing to do with us. They didn't schedule that today with us. He owes the 400 today. Yep.
Respondent, do you do his paperwork?
After you sign, if he filled it out, yep, he turns it into us. I mail everything out.
Do you have it or did Joe take it?
Oh, yeah, I got it. So he filled everything out.
Yeah, I signed it.
Yeah,
We
so
just-
I'll be mailing everything out. I'll make you a copy now so I don't email yours out since you're here. All right, so let me get you a copy.
Have a good day, sir.
Thank you too, Your Honor. Mail out to everybody that needs them. Honestly, I don't know. Yeah, I think I know whenever you do the paperwork, I know it's been taking months.
Yes.
So I'm sure that's.
I said it was August.
Oh, really? Yeah. Yep. So
Thank
you're
you.
all set. Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too. Thank you. Hampton's at 9 a.m. Oh. Oh, I see. Because the phone people probably don't know it. I mean, they don't pay attention. Okay. Yep. Okay, I'm gonna call her right now. All right, I'll call. Hi, this is LaQuinn. Hi, I understand that you called and somebody told that you can do Zoom. Okay, no, it's in person. And I'm understanding that you're having a hard time joining Zoom anyways, so if you can head over here as soon as possible, we're right down Lane Road. Okay, well, uh-huh. Okay, but you knew back in December this was scheduled for in person. So all this information is incorrect? Mm-hmm. Okay, your phone's not very good, it's not working. Barely. Because you're going in and out. Okay, well, just, so what, you know, it is in person, so as long as you can try and get it right, if not, they said that, because obviously it's not working for you to do Zoom either. Hello? Barely. This is the reason why it's in person, is because your phone's not working very well. So you'll just, if you don't appear, then you will receive a show cause hearing in the mail and you'll handle it that way. All right, thank you. Well, if you read all the notes on the they told her it was in person. It was placed in at 9:18. Because Naomi typed in at 9:13. Yeah. Yeah, because it says defendant called in regarding Zoom court date, states joined Zoom meeting and spoke at hearings live in person. Yeah. No, I'm thinking that she. Oh, I see. Yeah. Yeah, and then Andy talked to her and told her to get. Well, she goes in and out, so she can't hear me. Okay. Yeah.
Mr. McGrady, what are you back for?
Hi, I'm back. I have a question or an ask that we amend the bond order on.
Oh, okay, wait. Let me get the clerk and let me get Heather, and Judge Oakley probably needs to hear that.
Yes.
On the day case, is that what it was?
It's McDay.
You're still on
McDay.
mute, unless there's something wrong with my computer.
APA Whiskey, we can hear you.
Yeah. Sure. I'm supposed to meet with Ms. DeGrady, but she can't hear me for some odd reason. So I'm just gonna put that on the record. I'll be back. Okay. Meanwhile, for some reason, she can't hear me. I don't know if you can. So that's safe and sure.
I'll talk to her.
I can hear you. I can hear
Mr.
you.
Kowinski, Mr. Kowinski,
PK, it's Remo. Can you hear me?
we can hear you.
Okay, for some reason I can't hear you.
Well, how are you responding to me?
You are on mute. Unmute yourself.
Who is she talking to? Who do we
Still,
think she's
okay,
talking to?
I'm gonna call you, okay?
Good grief.
Rem-
This is our life. Okay, it's not great. Let me get Judge Oakley, and have you talked to them already about this?
No, I don't think the prosecutor's gonna have any issue. It's just adding Team Jefferson to the bond, so he just.
Okay, let me grab.
Place where he was gonna go fell through, so I don't think there'll be any objection, but
I gotcha.
I'm calling you right now, so.
Okay.
Yeah, man, for some reason I was having trouble hearing Attorney DeMockery. I don't know, I hope it's not an issue with my computer. I thought we were both muted at one point, but then I muted myself and told her that, it's an issue on her end or.
Yeah, looks like we gotta get McDay out of the.
Judge, Mr. McGrady is back on the McDay matter. They want to amend the bond to add a different place for him to go to.
Team Jefferson.
Mr. McGrady, we lost your client. Do we need him for this discussion?
No, Your Honor, I did speak with him about this plan because we had a different plan that fell through. The social worker just confirmed that Team Jefferson does have a bed, and I did speak with Mr. McDay, and he is wants to go there. So I just
All right, so
if it's
just
added
so
to the
we're-
order.
Go ahead.
That means that the jail will, if it's added of Team Jefferson inpatient, that means that Team Jefferson will come pick him up from the jail.
Yeah, your audio's cutting out. We're having a real hard time.
Let me zoom in on my phone.
Parts of words.
One moment.
Yeah, that's what I'm confused by.
I'm in the waiting room on my phone.
Okay, I can hear you. So I just gave him a personal bond on these two files, so I'm a little bit confused.
Is that better?
Seems to be.
Okay.
I just changed both his files to personal bonds. So now what do you want?
So personal bond with going to Team Jefferson, like inpatient at Team Jefferson.
I have no idea what Team Jefferson is. I'm sorry, counsel.
Sorry. Oh, I apologize. I'm sorry. We have a lot of clients go there. I thought I've done this with you before. So it's they have different, it's kind of like a shelter. They have beds and they have mental health treatment, stuff like that. So our other housing situation with him, I just learned this morning, is not going to work out. So we're asking to send him there. I did speak with him about it already. He knows that that's what I'm asking for. So if you add inpatient Team Jefferson.
I gave him a personal bond. Do you want me to change the personal bond and order him to do something? I'm confused what you're asking me.
Yes, I wanted you to keep it as a personal bond, but just adding Team Jefferson inpatient means
as a
that
condition of bond, that way it gives him a bed.
Correct. That's it. Yep.
Now I
And if
got
it's inpatient, Team Jefferson will pick him up. So there's a
Gotcha.
seamless transition there.
Yeah, I got you. You need it to be a condition of bond, otherwise they don't have space for it. I got it.
Exactly.
And that's an inpatient program?
Yep.
Team Jefferson, like President Jefferson?
Yep.
All right, I'll do that on both files.
And the
I'm assuming
address is
people have no
111.
objections.
I don't know if the address is 11105 East Jefferson.
East or West Jefferson?
East.
Got it. All right, anything else?
Nope, that's it. Thank you. And sorry, I didn't do that
All right.
earlier.
Yep. Thanks for the education.
Yes. See you in a little bit.
All right. Are we ready on, is it Galecki?
Ready, Your Honor.
Did I get that right? Galecki?
Yes, Your Honor. Your Honor, for the record, Jeffrey Bowditch, 45367, appearing on behalf of and with Mr. Dulecki. Sir, could you give the judge your name for the record, please?
Ryan Dulecki.
Good morning, sir.
Morning.
Your Honor, today's date and time set for arraignment in this matter. We will waive formal reading and stand mute. We've also had a chance to pre-try this case, Your Honor. We do have an executed plea agreement subject to court approval. In that agreement, Mr. Dulecki would be pleading guilty to an added count of trespassing, with the understanding the matter would be taken under a deferred sentence for a period of 6 months. If Mr. Dulecki complies with all the court's wishes, the court may consider at the end of that period a dismissal of this matter.
Thank you. And Mr. Galecki, you understand the possible penalty for the added charge today?
Yes, Your Honor.
You understand your rights and options after discussing those with Mr. Bowditch?
Yes, Your Honor.
Understanding all of that, are you pleading guilty to the added charge of trespassing from December 17, 22?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, where were you at that day in Huron Township that you shouldn't have been?
Your Honor, may I have one here?
Please do.
Mr. Dulecki, you were in Huron Township on the day in question that brings us to court.
Yes.
You were at a building, is that true?
Yes.
A building that was open for business.
Yes.
And at that time, you and your friend walked into that building with another employee.
Yes.
But at that time, you were not invited into that building.
Correct.
And at some time, you were told to leave the building.
Yes.
Defense is satisfied.
I'll accept the plea. I'll dismiss the original charge. Anything I should know before I sentence?
Your Honor, it was almost as I said in the voir dire. He's out in the parking lot with his friends. They meet up. They go into where the young man is working, where they shouldn't have gone. It was an industry in New Boston. He's not even familiar with the industry. But again, there was a companion case where Huron, after investigating, also reduced it down to the trespass.
All right.
It was an innocent incident.
All right. Anything you want to add, sir?
No, Your Honor.
Fines a cost $350. That money's due within 5 days. That means pay it within 5 or make other arrangements within 5. Understood?
Yes. Yes, Your Honor.
Downstairs, you can take care of either one of those. Have a good day.
Thank you. Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. People versus Kronk.
Ready, Your Honor.
Good morning, counsel.
Good morning, Your Honor. Good to see you. Alex Giuliani appearing on behalf of Devin Cronk, who is approaching.
Good morning, Mr. Kronk.
Good morning.
Your Honor, today's a date and time set for a probable cause conference. I have worked out a resolution with the state law prosecutors. It is my understanding that Mr. Cronk will be pleading guilty to an added count of attempt, resisting, and obstructing, with the original charge of fleeing and eluding 4th degree to be dismissed.
Is that $1,000? 1 year? What's
It is.
the possible penalty on that?
It is a 1 year. I'm not sure about the fine, Your Honor. I can look it up for you.
It's not gonna be anywhere near 1,000, so.
Okay.
You understand the possible penalty for that charge?
Yes, Your Honor.
And you've discussed your rights and options with counsel?
I have.
You understand all those?
Yes, Your Honor.
Understanding all of that, are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily to the added charge today?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, would you voir dire to give me my facts?
Sure, Your Honor. Thank you. Mr. Cronk, were you in the city of
Huron.
Huron Township on December 20th, 2022?
Yes.
And had you come into contact with a police officer?
Yes.
And did you attempt to resist that police officer?
Yes.
Satisfied, Your Honor.
All right, what should I know about your client before I sentence?
Your Honor, he's 25 years old. He's
has been struggling with some mental health issues. I have worked with him and advised him that he needs to get in to see a psychiatrist to get on some medication. He is in therapy.
Good.
He is seeing his therapist bi-weekly. We're going to try to
Beautiful.
up that. He is working at Dr. Tinto. He's a manager there. His girlfriend is here supporting him together. They collectively have 6 children together. He has some other matters pending in other courts, but I'm going to help him through
Good.
those matters. But other than that, Your Honor, we're going to get him on the right track.
Does he need me and a hammer over his head to do what he should be doing, or is fines and costs appropriate?
Fines and costs would be appropriate.
Sounds like you're the hammer over his head right
Yes.
now.
Thank you, Your
Okay.
Honor.
All right. Sounds like you got a plan.
We do.
I do.
Okay. All right. Fines and costs, $500. That money's due within 5 days. Or make arrangements to pay. Monthly payment plan, whatever you gotta do. Questions?
No, Your Honor.
All right. Good luck.
Thank you.
Your Honor.
Melvin Moore. Joe. Give me just a second, Rocco. Counsel, how are you?
Good, Your Honor, how are you?
Better than I deserve. Your appearance?
Good morning, Your Honor. Spencer Clayton appearing on behalf of Mr. Moore, stands to my right, P number 773002, and I am standing in for the attorney of record in this case, which is Mr. Maurice Davis. We are in the same office. Sir, is that with your permission that I stand in for Mr. Davis for the purpose of today's hearing? Yes. Thank you. Can you state your name for the record, please? Melvin Moore Jr.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Your appearance, counsel.
Good morning, Your Honor. Patricia Mandernack for the people, P84088.
What are we doing?
Your Honor, today's date and time set for a probable cause conference in this matter. We do not have discovery. I would be requesting discovery. I've already spoken with the prosecutor regarding that. Sounds like they're going to send it over. And we'd just be asking for an exam date. And then I'd also have a
January 18th work? I think, is that the one didn't we already send one for you, Ms. Mandrich, an exam?
For January 18th, Your Honor,
Noon?
I don't think so.
Okay. Does that work for both of you? January 18th?
If we could possibly go out another week.
February 22? Is she doing her exams on Wednesday? Domestic?
February 22nd, Your Honor.
Are those on Tuesdays too?
No, we would, yeah, because Sona's gonna be handling the felony exams, from what I understand, right?
No, sorry, I believe I'm taking over the entire docket.
Oh, okay,
Sona informed me that that exams are usually on Wednesdays.
yeah, they can, yeah.
Whatever, the 22nd works, and we'd waive any time
All right.
requirements.
Thank you. February 22nd, Ms. Manrich?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anybody got a preference? Anywhere between 11:30 and 2, I can set it.
11:30 is fine.
All right, anything else?
Your Honor, if I may address bond.
Not yet. Let me figure out what it is. It's 5,000 cash or surety, correct?
Yeah, the tether is the aspect of bond I need to address.
Let's see. I'm not even seeing the tether on here. GPS tether may go to work only. All right, go ahead.
So Your Honor, he did try and go to work and the tether went off. So I don't know if I need to give the work address to the court or if he needs to provide that to the tether people, but he has been having an issue trying to go to work.
You have any idea how that works?
You would have to give all that information to the child.
Okay. And then also he would like to be able to pick up his child from elementary school, if we could add that condition. I don't think, is this a child in common?
No, separate.
Where's the child go to school?
Savage Elementary, sir.
Savage?
Yes.
Okay, our Savage, Van Buren Township?
Yes.
Okay. Any objection to that?
Your Honor, I would just ask that we clarify for the record what specific times defendant is.
She has to be at school at 9 a.m. She gets out at 4 p.m.
Long day. Yeah, okay. All right, we can do that, can't we? Do a new met. So if we do that, we might as well put the location of his employer in too.
If we have that, yeah.
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 So just get that to Heather. Or actually put it on the record.
He works at, how do you say that?
Forcia.
Forcia, the
It's-
big manufacturer in Saline.
How do you spell that?
FAU
Common spelling.
RECIA.
Okay, I thought you said force, yes, I was thinking of P, okay.
He works-
Give the address.
Do the address?
No, I don't have a car. I can
Is
get
that
it.
the one in Saline?
Yes.
Yeah, we can find it.
Okay.
And it's FAU.
Joe should know that off the top of his head. That's his
Yep.
old stomping ground.
Oh, okay. Well, help me out with that.
Yeah. All right, we'll do a new minute that says that's where he works, and also
Okay.
give him a window, morning and afternoon window, so he can go to Savage.
Great.
All right, anything else?
Thank you. No,
All right, good luck, gentlemen.
thank you.
Your Honor.
You're welcome, counsel. Two 22. How'd they spell that? FORCIA? Yeah.
It's 77.
FAU argument again. Felicia, yeah.
That's nice, probably not. If it's out of the county, they can't do anything for out of the county.
Well, they still gotta let the guy work.
Right, right, but that's probably.
Yeah. Hey, Joe. Tell the attorney to step back in here.
Communication with like.
Counsel, Heather, I think she might be wrong, but she's not wrong often, so. The problem might be because he works out of Wayne County. So if with that specific address on the net, he's still having trouble getting to work, then contact me and I'll make it clear that he's not on a GPS tether curfew, like keep track of when where he's at, but just where he's at.
Okay.
Make sense?
Yeah.
I don't want him not working because of this tether.
Okay.
All right?
All right. Sounds good.
Hopefully with the address, that straightens it out.
Yeah.
All right.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome, sir. Do we know why Miss Holly is on screen and we don't have an attorney for her? Then why is she there? Can't we keep her somewhere else?
Oh,
What's going on? Okay. Yeah. I want to look at files. Joe, I'm gonna go down to the civil department. Okay.
morning, Mr. Tuttle.
Good morning, how you doing today?
I'm doing just fine. How are you?
I'm doing fine. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year to you.
I'm here on the Tila Black Nick and they were excuse her appearance, so we just adjourned.
Oh, you're just adjourning? Okay, well then I can do that for you.
Oh, okay.
Wait a minute, let me double check. Why is she not?
I know she's having telephone and communication problems. I did talk to her last week. We have a resolution for her more serious case downtown. And they're gonna give a misdemeanor, she'll be there to accept that. But she told me her phone was messed up. I didn't talk about the next court date here.
Okay, let me go make sure with the judge because we've been adjourning for over a year.
Yeah, but it's only to get resolution. But
Okay, so it's to
she's
get
been here
resolution.
before.
Okay.
She's been here before.
Okay. Let me just go check with him and I'll give you a new date then.
Okay.
Compliment on your hat.
Oh, it's nice.
Then you come out with the gators on.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
All right, Mr.
How you doing, John?
Good, how you been?
I'm doing fine. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. Maybe
You
a helpful
good?
one.
Oh, yes, make it a healthy, yes. I just heard about a judge who passed. I went to law school with Hyman. He's the judge up in Royal Oak. Yeah, he passed.
Miss Wilmoth, what case are you here on?
Morning, I'm the prosecutor on Deja Lynn Pryor.
Yeah, yeah, I just didn't know which one you were here on.
No problem.
Mr. Tuttle, you can come up. We do them every Wednesday. When is the hearing downtown supposed to be?
That's next week, so we can go.
Yeah, I have either February 1st or February 8th. 8th? Right, that's gonna be with Judge Martin, so it's gonna be by Zoom on that day. Which one? What did you mean? Miss Black is out in the
Okay, that's easy.
Yeah, so if you want, just send her in and then I'll give her a notice too. Okay, thanks. Hi, Miss Black. Hi, I just want to verify, you're still at 30027 Pearson Eastern? Yes. Okay, 313-471-4092?
That's a telephone number.
Oh, yeah, that was.
Yeah, repeat it, I need it.
It's 313-471-4092.
I got you do a change.
That's my,
Oh, okay. So we said February 8th?
Oh, yeah, we did say February 8th.
How early? I have between 8:45 all the way to 10:30. It's gonna be on Zoom, so whatever.
Oh, 10:30.
Okay. Yeah, be on around 10:15.
Are you doing anything? Huh? Okay.
For you and for your client?
All right, have a good day.
Thank you
See you
very
in
much.
February.
Yep, see you in February.
Hopefully the weather will still be the same. I'll see you around.
Take care. And by the way, just for the record, people do not object to what just happened, so.
Okay.
Yeah, okay. I'm actually gonna have to go to a small room and do this, so.
Good morning, Sophia.
Good morning.
What are you here for?
Jessica Montour.
Oh, you get a really bad connection.
Hey, Madam Clerk, are you there?
Jessica Montour.
Yep, I found you. I got you. I haven't seen Jessica yet. Mr. Kwinsky, I'm here. What you need?
Okay, sorry, it was just.
It's okay.
the volume
Sophia,
was
do you
really-
need to speak to the prosecutor? No.
Yes.
Okay, let me put you in with Mr. Kwinsky. Mr. Kwinsky, can you go in your meeting room?
Sure, with Miss Nelson, right?
Yep.
Staying up all night out with the DD, Michelle.
Hi, Michelle.
Oh, it is Sona. Or, no, it's not you, Peter.
Oh, sorry.
That
I got
one
in with-
is, I gotta find, oh, did she leave?
Yeah, Miss
No,
Nelson
prob-
did.
No, not Miss Nelson. She went into the room. We need, who's the DV prosecutor now? What's her name? The new one?
Patricia
Thank-
Mandernack
We need her to jump back on Zoom and jump in with Sophia.
with Sophia. Okay, is there someone I'm supposed to be meeting with, or?
I thought you were on it, but you're not.
No.
Okay?
So I don't need to meet with anyone right now, is that
Not right
what?
this second, not right this
All right.
second. We're waiting for attorneys.
Okay, I can just close this out.
But don't
For this-
leave.
No,
Don't
definitely not.
just
Just
mute
breakout
yourself.
rooms. Yeah, no, I get it.
Don't close, just leave her in the breakout room. You're good.
Yep.
Miss Wilmoth, I'm waiting for,
No,
we don't have any attorneys.
I'm being called downstairs to a courtroom in Frank Murphy. It's just to get a new date. So
Okay, go ahead.
I'm not gonna log off, but I just wanted to let you know.
Thanks.
Okay.
Hello? Oh, shit.
Okay, Miss Mandernack. Okay, let's see. Let me make you, do you know how to move yourself around? Miss Mandernack?
I am, yes.
Jump
Which breakout room do you want me to go to?
Yeah, jump into where'd she go? Where Sophia Nelson is, state prosecutor meeting room. Just jump in there. Do you see her?
Yes. Moving
Yeah,
myself
just
to it.
just join that.
to just,
I'm sorry.
thought she was ready, Stewart and Hampton.
You didn't bring me in the Stewart.
Whitman Stewart, it's 10:15 final pretrial.
Oh, okay, so we're waiting for, Victor.
Yeah.
Okay. We have the, I think Judge Randolph Stewart's real quick.
Hampton was at 9 o'clock, so.
Slow day.
Oh, wait till next week.
Busy next week?
Barely anything. We're done by 9:30 next week.
Really?
Yeah.
So we've solved pretty much all the crime
It sounds like
in
it.
9 jurisdictions?
Sounds like it.
Wow. I better go out and start drumming up business. Convince some of these people.
Someone's trying to be the boss of the unit.
Please leave my courtroom.
Whoa.
Oops, there you go.
All right, we're going to court down session. I'm Judge Oakley presiding.
Have a seat, folks. LaQuinn Hampton.
Ready, Your Honor. Your Honor, for the record, Jeffrey Bowditch, appearing on behalf of with Ms. Hampton. Ms. Hampton, could you tell the judge your name for the record?
LaQuinn Hampton.
Good morning.
Your Honor, today is the date and time set for an arraignment in this matter. We will wait for we understand we also have an executed plea agreement subject to court approval. In that agreement, Ms. Hampton would be pleading guilty to an ad, being pleading responsible to an ad account of double parking, with the understanding that all 3 citations would be dismissed. She did provide proof today of insurance and registration.
Beautiful. On the road legally.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir.
Awesome. All right, Ms. Hampton, is that the way you want to take care of these matters today?
Yes.
All right, I will accept your plea to the double parking. Fines and costs $300. That money is due within 5 days. So that means pay it within 5 days or within that 5-day period, make other arrangements. So set up a payment plan if you have to. Downstairs at the counter, you can do either one of those. All 3 charges are dismissed. Any questions? You're all set?
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thanks.
Are we ready on the People versus Emily Holly?
No, we're waiting for attorneys.
Ah.
Just forgot to go, sorry.
How about Jones? Are we ready on that?
No. Yeah, I was just grabbing ones that I saw on Zoom. No, she didn't look right up. Okay. Oh, so we're waiting for 30 minutes. Okay.
Is Jalen Cologne, still in custody? Jalen Cologne?
Hi, can you jump in on this other from Judge Oakley's office?
Yeah, Coach.
Sure.
I know this Tuesday, when you want issues, probation, juvenile hearings, process. You're still scheduling them, right? We're gonna handle those.
Yeah, it could be. It could be that they call them canceled or something. I don't know. Yeah, she might know, but yeah, we're still doing them.
All right.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, we're relying on you.
Okay.
Yeah, absolutely. Hey, do you know what happened to the juvenile cases we had Tuesday that got scratched off the docket?
Those are just Christine's.
Those are
Anything
just-
that shows up on the docket are not ours. It's just Christine's cases where she meets with them.
Oh, okay.
It's very confusing. The ones that we handle don't show up on the docket.
Just let me know ahead of time, because I'll be doing this.
It will be. January 30th. We have two, Vander and,
Morning or afternoon?
morning, 8:30.
8:30, January 30th.
Thank you, Jeff, very much. No. With, I was gonna tell her if Harris comes down after Hampton, she needs to make sure she gets the right address and phone number. Miss Epps Ward, can you hear me?
Yes, good morning. I'm sorry. Yes, I can.
That's fine. Did you need to speak to the prosecutor on your cases?
Yes, just briefly, please.
Mr. Kowinski, do you want to talk to Miss Epps Ward?
Can you email her? But sometimes the- Please and thank you.
Sophia, what are we doing in your case?
I'd like to get a new date and adjourned pretrial. The prosecutor doesn't object.
A
That's correct,
PCC?
Your Honor. Your Honor, or,
Wait,
not
hold
Your
on,
Honor,
hold
Heather.
on. Yeah, hold on a second.
That's the one that Sophie is on right now.
All right, appearances on the People versus Montour.
Good morning, Your Honor. Patricia Mandernack for the people, P84088.
Yeah, I'm sorry, I'm not seeing Ms. Jones.
Good morning, Your Honor. Sophia Nelson of Neighborhood Defenders. Good morning, Your Honor. Sophia Nelson of Neighborhood Defender Service on behalf of Ms. Montour, P77960.
Do we have Ms. Montour with us?
We don't, Your Honor, and I'm asking for an adjourned trial. Ms. Montour's phone is disconnected, and I think she may have believed that everything was dismissed. So I'm going to send an investigator to try to locate her.
You want to just go to January 18?
That works for the people, Your Honor.
1 second. Yes, that works for the defense as well.
All right, you've got really bad audio this morning, counsel. Sorry, so January
I'm sorry,
18.
Your Honor.
No problem. I'm sure it's not intentional. Let's do it at 9 o'clock next Wednesday.
Okay, thank you.
Bond is continued.
Thank you, Your Honor.
ladies.
Thank you.
prosecutor on a final pretrial? 15 or 30?
30.
30 minutes. Will you call me?
We did Melvin one, didn't we? Did you take care of Mr. Tuttle's Tila Black file?
I did, yes.
Kronk, we did.
Yeah.
Holly's on here. Montour, we just did.
Meyer, we're waiting for his attorney. He's on Zoom.
Yeah.
Jones is on Zoom. His attorney.
Mhm.
Stewart is sitting in the wait, sitting in your courtroom waiting for victim to appear. Predict is on Zoom waiting for his
Okay.
attorney. I'm sorry. Oh, yeah, you can't see it, but
Good morning, Royce.
Morning. May I have a breakout room with Mr. Becker Dick, please?
Yeah, hold on a second.
Thank you very much.
Ms. Ward, did you need to go back in with the prosecutor?
No, I'm all set. Thank you so much.
You are welcome. Ms. Kirkland, did you need to speak to the prosecutor?
Yes, please.
Okay, it's Ms. Wilma.
Heather, I missed that. Am I moving Miss Kirkland? Oh, she did.
Ms. Epps, we're ready on your cases?
Yes, I'm ready to go.
We get Holly and Jones.
Got it. All right, appearances on the People versus Emily Holly, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Peter Kowinski appearing on behalf of the people, P84448.
And good morning, Your Honor. Happy New Year to you and your staff. Neighborhood Defenders by Rowea Epps Ward, P number 84898 on behalf of Mrs. Holly. Ms. Holly, can you please unmute your mic and state your full name for the record, ma'am?
My name is Emily Ann Holly.
Thank you. What are we doing today, counsel?
Your Honor, I have discovery. I just need to set this matter for exam now.
January 18, February 22.
February, Judge.
About 1 PM,
That's February 1st, Your Honor?
February 22nd.
Oh, 22nd, 1 PM. That works.
All right, bond will be continued.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Have a good day, Miss Holly.
You too as well, Your Honor.
Thank you. Counsel, your appearance on Paris Jones.
Good morning, Your Honor. Peter Kowinski appearing on behalf of people, P84448.
And good morning again, Your Honor. Neighborhood Defenders by Roia Epps Ward, P number 84898 on behalf of Mr. Jones. Mr. Jones, can you please unmute your mic, sir, and state your full name for the record?
Good morning, Paris Mackay Jones.
Good morning. And what are we doing on this one?
Your Honor, we have discovery now, so we need to set this matter for exam as well.
How about the same day at 1 o'clock?
1 o'clock. The first, so the one case was just one. This is 1 or 1:30, Judge.
1, I stack them.
Okay, understood. Yep, that works, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Jones, at work?
Yes, that's fine.
All right, enjoy your day, sir. Bond is
All right, you
continued.
too.
Thank you, Your Honor. Enjoy your day.
You as well.
Thanks.
Ms. Kirkland, are you ready on your case?
Yes, I am ready.
Appearances for prior.
Good morning, Your Honor. Erin Wilmeth, P82085, appearing on behalf of the people.
Good morning, Your Honor. Neighborhood Defender Service, Waukesha Kirkland, on behalf of Ms. Pryor, P84015.
What are we doing today, ladies?
Your Honor, I believe we're just asking for adjournment. I have gotten most of the discovery, but APA Wilmoth needs to send some subpoenas over to the court to get medical records. So we're just asking for one more adjournment, a 2-week adjournment, to receive the rest of the discovery.
And Your Honor, that is correct. I did send subpoenas to Children's Hospital. I was informed that I need to have a judge sign those subpoenas for the medical records. So if Your Honor would be willing to sign those subpoenas, I'll send them over today. I would anticipate it would take up to 14 days to get those medical records. I'll probably put a week to have them to me by a week on the subpoena, but sometimes they trickle in a little bit after that deadline.
Yeah, so let's set it for February 1 for our PCC date.
Was that February 1?
Yeah, 9:30 work.
Okay, that works.
It does, Judge.
Bond will
And I'm
be
going to send those
continued.
over this morning, okay?
Yes.
I appreciate it.
All right, Miss Kirkland, Miss Pryor's
Yeah.
got some other files here she needs to do something with. We've got 3 tickets out of Romulus and Van Buren from 2020. Impeding traffic ×2 and no proof of insurance. She needs to contact us to get set up on a payment plan. She can do that in person or on our website.
Okay.
Thank
All
you,
right,
Your
thank
Honor.
Have a good day, ladies.
You too.
Have a nice day, everyone.
Excuse me. Did Ms. Kirkland leave? How do I speak with her?
She did leave. You got her phone number?
Yeah, I have been calling her for some days trying to talk to her, and I cannot get in contact with her.
Well,
Have her email?
No, I don't. Can I have that, please?
Yep, I'll chat that to you, okay?
Thank you so much. You guys have a great rest of your day.
You too. Joe, which file were we waiting for a victim to show up? Thank you.
Excuse me, Your Honor, it's been brought to my attention on that case that claiming witness is not going to show up today. We tried contacting her.
That's on Stewart?
Yes, sir.
All right, let's get Mr. Bowditch in.
Can I double check one more time? Just to
Sure.
verify, make sure maybe she showed up, but otherwise we can get this going. Come back.
I didn't kick her out, promise. Gentlemen, your appearance is on the Stewart file.
Your Honor, for the record, Jeffrey Bowditch, 45367, appearing on behalf of and with Mr. Stewart in place of his attorney of record, Mr. Royce Nunley. Mr. Stewart, would you say your name for the record, please?
Keith Stewart.
Mr. Stewart, do you have any objection to me sitting in for your attorney of record just for these proceedings alone?
No.
Your Honor, today is the date and time set for a final pretrial in this matter. I believe there is no complaining witness.
Mr. Kwinsky.
Your Honor, the complaining witness has not shown up, nor is she going to show up today. She's been notified. But we've done everything on our end to notify her about today, but she's still not going to show up.
Thank you. No
For a
bond?
motion for dismissal. Your Honor.
Granted, there is no cash bond.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're all set.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
It's a pleasure.
Joe, do you know if we got a defendant for our 10:30, Mr. Becker Dick?
Yeah, he's on Zoom.
Why are all these,
Nunley's on Zoom.
why are all these people on Zoom
He
today?
was in Colorado. He's on Zoom.
He is also.
Oh, we gave her permission because she had something in the that's word.
So on Becker Dick, we're waiting for Nunley to join us.
Nunley
Is it breakout?
Yeah, they're. Thank you very much, Michelle.
Yeah, thanks for the help.
Well, we have a form at 11. Is that Zoom? It should be in person. Yeah, it's the old one probably. So that was oh, okay. And they paid it on half of it, because it becomes important.
Yeah, she most certainly did. She's right. They pay for the privilege, don't they?
Michelle or Heather, do either of you know, is the prosecutor available for this matter?
Yes, you want me to go to a breakout room with you?
Yeah, that'd be great.
All right.
Nothing else, I'm getting the money back.
So did they, so she found somebody new, I mean, you're running it. Yeah, that's true. I didn't think about that one.
Central is she went to some of the smaller schools, you know, visit kids hers. These two small ones, she went to state, two big, she just left Central. Well, yeah, I told her, I said, you got far enough away from home. You got close enough that she didn't stay out of there. So I told her, no closer than an hour and a half, no farther than 5 hours.
And I told she would go.
Yeah, because at least your sister covered. See a senior this year? Yeah. Grand Valley, good little school. Yeah, because you don't make new friends. You just end up hanging out in high school.
It's like the lady, when they did it in Virgil, and the 5 friends, the local and and she, well, they all decided, we're all gonna get our own roommates, then that way we have new friends. The one, her daughter, and stuff like this, and it's horrible, absolutely horrible. And so the other girl, her roommate is too, so they're trying to.
Just switch.
Yeah, switch roommates. And she's been, I mean, she just cries all the time, and she's horrible. I mean, this girl doesn't. Yeah. So, well, Central has this house too, I guess, somewhere where we can have sort of central area. Oh, okay. They go through this.
Cleaning crew. Common areas.
That's a lot, once or twice a day.
That's what they told us.
That's a lot.
Mr. Nunley, are you ready?
Yes, we are.
Appearances on the Becker Dick matter.
Good morning, Your Honor. Peter Kowinski appearing on behalf of the people, P84448.
Royce Nunley appearing on behalf of the defendant. It is a date and time scheduled for a pretrial. We adjourned it a couple times so that I could get some videos and some discovery. I have everything now. I've discussed it with my client, and at this time he is requesting a jury trial. One thing that I'd like to make the court aware of is that he is located in Colorado. And if there's a way we could schedule it out just a little bit farther to give him time to maybe get a ticket for a reasonable price to come to Michigan.
Sure. Let's see
Thank
what we
you.
got for dates availability. February 13th, give him enough time?
February 13th. I am actually not available on that day. I have one mediation scheduled.
How about February 28th?
I can make that work.
Any objections?
No objections from the people, Your Honor.
And we like the jury trials over there start at 8:30, right?
Correct.
Got it.
All right, anything else?
Nothing further, Judge.
All right, have a good day, gentlemen. Bond
Thank
is
you.
Continued.
Thanks, Judge. Have a great one.
What cases?
The 315, civil infraction pre-hearing cases.
You know what? I am not sure. Can you remind me who either the defense attorney or the name of the defendant?
Natsu or Waldo, you were given orange files today. You need to call the attorneys.
Yeah, no, I wasn't given any files. I'm wondering if that's something Rima or the other APA had to do.
So there, Rima's here.
Yeah, Rima is. I don't know anything about that.
Okay, I'll just.
I apologize.
No, that's fine.
Went out to talk to a little bit too. Thank you.
Those are all the people that are coming in.
Oh.
I think the aunt supports him, and then the uncle is the dad, brother, and he supports him. And
Yeah, I'm sure all of it as well. Excuse me, Madam Clerk. I do have a question about one of the cases that I was up with Miss Mott Brady.
yeah.
The one about takes place in the Jefferson program. What was the name of that, and what was the resolution?
Oh, that was McDay.
McDay, okay.
Yeah, McDay. He has a personal bond, but he must attend Team Jefferson, and it's an inpatient. And the only reason it's part of the bond is so that he can have a bed. So that it's a condition of his bond is to go to Team Jefferson.
As a condition of his bond. Okay.
Yeah.
I'm just trying to get that updated in our note, in our system, so.
That's fine.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
And then one last thing, the Cron case, Devin Cron case, that was up for a PCC today, correct?
Yes, with a PCC.
And he got a plea, if I'm not mistaken, correct?
Correct. He got a plea of attempt, resist, or obstruct. And then he was sentenced already.
Oh, okay.
You need that sentencing?
You know what?
You just need to know that it's reduced.
I have it written down, but yeah, the
It was
sentence.
just sentenced to $500.
Yep, I think I did have noted down that fines and costs were in place, so.
You must be one of these examiners.
Just
Just say hi. Our card reads from the employee gate is going out today, so we'll go on and
Oh.
yeah, we're gonna get some little tab and put on our dash.
Oh, very cool. And those come in today?
They're working on it right now.
Uh-huh.
What was the case for McDay where he was assigned to the Jefferson program? Was it his unlawful driving away, or he had two cases today, I think?
One was receiving and concealing and unlawfully driving away, and the other one is unlawfully driving away.
So for both of them, he got
10,000, 10%, or 10,000 PR, Team Jefferson.
for both of them.
For both of them, correct.
Okay. I'm just gonna write it down for one.
figure I can at least fix one that's not going downstairs. No. Are you sure? Because I thought it state was state. Okay, so parking is parking state. Because I always thought it was state is state. That was my assumption. So I'm just gonna leave these then, so. Well, I'll call it. Okay. Okay. Okay.
How we doing? Thank you. All right, counsel, your appearance on the David Patterson matter.
Good morning, Judge. Michael Cobb, P78658. I have Mr. David Patterson. Would you approach Mr. Patterson? State your name for the record. David Patterson.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. This was on record.
All right, looks like we got a plea worked out. Tell me about it.
Yes, Your Honor. We've had an opportunity to speak with the prosecutor in this matter, and the client is prepared to take advantage of the people's offer. I believe there's being one count of improper passing and another count of no probation that have both been dismissed, and he will be pleading guilty to one count of impeding.
Correct?
Correct.
That's the way you want to handle it today?
Yes.
All right, I'll dismiss both the original charges, accept your plea on the impeding traffic, fines that cost $200. That money is due within 5 days. So that means pay it within 5 or within 5 days, make other arrangements, payment plan or whatever. You want to take care of it today?
Yeah.
Do that downstairs.
All right.
You're all set.
All right. Thank you very much, Your Honor.
Have a good day, gentlemen.
Yep, you too.
Thank you.
For OB, yeah, it's a clean case. Yeah, it's up for a preliminary today. Okay, we'll get that one for you.
3 months.
I didn't know we were losing soul.
Hmm?
I didn't know we were losing soul. Well, last time I talked to her, she said she wanted to be here.
Right, but nobody can get here.
Yeah, I don't know if it's her option.
And then, so I guess it does kind of stuff to try. Our judges will only.
Yeah, yeah, we've always.
I mean, we're good. Oh my goodness,
That's Mary Ann's granddaughter, Audrey.
that is an.
She's such a happy little kid.
Oh my, kind of like Theo. Wow.
But she just got one of those smiles, and she smiles, it lights up her whole face.
Yeah.
Celebrate their first birthday, February 25th. At Doc's, I don't know, he's got this, they all go to Doc's for kid's birthday party, you know?
What's that?
You know Doc's? You know McMaster's?
Mhm.
The ice cream place across McMaster's?
Oh.
It used to be Gibbs.
Okay. Oh, Gibbs, okay, yeah. At least the kids know business.
Yeah.
We'll do all the work for you.
Cool, they've got, their ice cream coffee. They do coffee flights and they do ice cream flights.
Oh, they do ice cream ones?
I think that's genius. I think it's absolutely genius. I mean, I thought it was good. I'm not a beer guy, but I thought it was great. You know, I saw it at home, brewer,
Mm-hmm.
and they've adopted
Ice
that.
cream is. That.
Yeah, because you always want to sample new flavors.
Yeah.
So you
And
can
you
buy,
can't make up your
you
mind.
just get a little bit, I think it's 5 different flavors or something.
That's a very good idea.
Yeah. You don't see in our Facebook marketplace very often. $120,000 cabinet shop. So.
No.
See, it's already old hat, isn't it?
What's that?
Hurry and wait.
Yeah. How's the install going? Good.
I'm only putting these out, let you guys run it.
How's this gonna work? Is it just something we leave on our dash or what?
On your windshield.
Oh, it's a sticker?
Yeah, it's this card that goes in this one.
Now, what happens to the day that you don't have that card, then?
Your other
can
thing
you-
will work.
Okay.
You can still stick your hand on it.
Okay.
Who's doing the install?
That's
Is that Greg's guys?
Jake, what are you wearing, Jake?
Yeah, no lie.
See the suction cups?
Oh, yeah, okay. Just
We're-
stick it up,
we're
just stick it up in
programmed.
the corner.
Yep.
Thanks.
No, so is that gonna open the garage door too?
Oh, I don't know. I would think so.
I think so too, but. What do you mean?
Everybody's here.
Yeah.
Someone's here, Omar's here. Oh, yeah. She was out of town, just moved in.
And how much was it?
Yeah, I still don't understand why.
Yeah, I still don't understand.
Yeah.
3%.
Why did you keep, I don't understand why you charge.
Yeah.
Who is that?
No, I don't. Who do you run?
Oh, maybe it was. I don't know. I don't know why I was thinking it was. Cape.
If you're in a Sumter.
Maybe it's Cape.
It's a female, I knew it was.
Yeah, they cleaned all of them colors. I've seen pictures of all black ones.
It's coming from. It was just like little, the girls feel that. Just later in the.
You know, how'd she do it? They also break the laws, so it could be a title.
It was crazy. I'm, my wife, they're different on the,
Thank you.
Thank you, Michelle.
Rima wanted to speak.
Rima wants to?
Yeah. Good morning, Judge.
How's it going?
Good, how are you?
Good. Where you got you at?
They got me everywhere.
You're bouncing?
Yeah. They got me 36 2 days and then 2 days out county.
Okay. Where are you doing out county?
Westland and Wyandotte. Okay. I don't know where my second court is gonna be. I might be here. I'm hoping.
I hope so.
Yeah, just depending right now. I'm kind of just floating around.
That's not bad though.
Yeah.
Good to see you.
But learning a lot though.
Good.
Definitely.
Good.
All
Good to
right.
see you, Mike.
Thank you.
Hope to see you on a regular basis.
For sure.
So Cody, at work, I guess he needed Tylenol. All they had was Tylenol that expired in 2007. So he's taking it. He just texted me because he's feeling really sick. Because I think you're poisoning myself. That Tylenol, I'm like, nothing's gonna happen to you. You're just getting sick. And
Yeah,
it-
probably what happened is the Tylenol's got zero strength to it anymore.
So it's not doing anything
Yeah.
for him. Because he's like, he goes, I'm either really hot or really cold. I think I poisoned my body. Whatever. He's so dramatic.
All of a sudden, a text, Jason just got me a job at the airport. You know, basically the same stuff he's doing. Almost six-figure job.
Jesus, was it he was like maintenance or something for Dearborn.
Last time.
Wow, that's awesome. they do?
Angela, I sued you last week. I said, you guys all. She's what are you talking about? I said, it just dawned on me the other day. I'm almost as old now as Bill's Alliance was when I ran against him. I figured he was just the old one wasn't doing it.
No.
He was 64 when I ran against him. I'm 62.
Yeah.
She just like,
Oh, yeah, that's the scary thing. Yes.
I said, all those things I thought I was going to. I was like, what? I have to put more times. I thought I could ask guys. I said, well, how many months I want? She said, why don't you go over landscape? I'm like, yeah, you going out and getting a job? It's February 25th. Oh, it's a Saturday. I'm like, we're doing a birthday party at 3 o'clock. Something Saturday.
A Montour showed up to court.
Who did?
Montour was
Oh,
some case
Jessica?
earlier, yeah.
That makes sense because her attorney didn't have any information. It was adjourned, but I need to get some more information. Yeah, bring her in.
Right on that, Joe.
Thank you. I will.
What time was she scheduled?
Hi, Ms. Munter.
Hi.
You smoke.
Okay.
I just need to verify your information. The attorney said she couldn't get a hold of it. Are you still at 457 Montana?
I am.
Okay.
32 050 Sheboygan, SHEBOYGAN, Court, CP, in Westland, Michigan, 4186.
And
So it's the same number, so
the
yeah,
6789023.
yeah. No, 9034.
That's perfect. All right, emails montour.yahoo.com.
Yes, ma'am.
And because I'm gonna contact her and,
I thought it was at 12 today. I am so sorry.
oh, no, it was at noon, I mean at 10 o'clock. Because I am going to talk to her, I have to see about changing the date. She, right now it's scheduled for next Wednesday.
Okay.
But I think because of the type of case this is, it should be on a Tuesday.
Okay.
So I'm gonna contact her before I change the date.
Okay.
But, and then, I will give you notice, okay, I'll email yours rather than mail it out.
Okay.
Okay,
yes.
just because if it's next week, then I want to see it.
Yes.
Okay,
Yep.
all right, then you're all set.
Thank you so much. I
Thank
appreciate
you.
it.
Do you have your attorney's information?
I do not. My phone had broke and I had to get a new one, and I lost her phone number, so I wasn't able to call her.
Oh, here's one.
I'm with her.
Oh,
Thank you so much.
you're welcome.
Thank you so much. I
You're
appreciate it.
welcome.
You guys
Yeah.
have a great day.
You too, thank you.
I'm sorry, what case is that?
That was just come on, it's a domestic case.
Oh, okay.
create, because I'm trying to do a PTR. It says create AFP out queue record to print form. Contact JIS for assistance if needed. Okay, thanks. proceeding when it was on.
Yeah. It was probably gonna get dismissed for time served, or, you know, plea for time served. Something like that.
Don't fall.
Put my many things down. Trying to stay hydrated and
knew that he probably recommended me.
Stalling, right? Yep. Prosecutor.
Oh,
Great.
there you go. That's great. Yep. All right, I'll be right back. I like peeked in here and I didn't see anyone. I'm like, where did they go? Yes, thank you. Cousin's birthday. Yes. Thank you. What did they do with the old courthouse?
It's metro lane somewhere.
Oh, okay. Supposedly Third Circuit is gonna move from Frank Murphy up to their new buildings. Have you seen those along? The Third Circuit, like Frank Murphy is moving up 75. They're building a whole new like complex, like before the Russell Center, like if you're going north on 75. There's a whole new jail and a whole new like court. No, not DDC's on Mound Road, like over, but this is like Frank Murphy, the prosecutor's office, like all of it's gonna move up 75 in August, maybe.
All right.
Oh, you guys can do it, that's okay. I don't mind doing that.
I'm sorry, I didn't cut you off.
No worries, just fascinating. It's been interesting to see this move. This is such a beautiful building and the light, and I'm excited to see what that looks like.
Sorry, I went right by.
So what is this gonna be? I don't know. I was wondering that. Oh, of course.
Yes, got it, Daddy.
If the circuit court's gonna move up to this new building they're building on 75, like north. The one that you guys aren't getting any reception in? Right, Frank Murphy, we don't get reception, yes.
Somebody called today, and I think it was Keisha and
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, she's like, we're in new construction, she
Wouldn't that get no service?
Oh, that's in our office space,
Alright.
because they're building out an
Take care of
office
Opie.
for us, but we're in this like weird temporary space.
And I will take care of,
Yeah.
But no, sometimes in Frank Murphy, I like can't, I have to like go by the windows to get myself on board. Really lovely.
Where is it at?
The new court and jail are, if you're going north on 75, like from downtown, you know where the Russell Industrial Complex is?
All rise.
It's like on the right.
Now we'll judge Oakley preside.
have a seat. Have a seat, have a seat. Are we ready on stalling?
Yes, Judge, it's gonna be a waiver. That's correct.
All right. You understand the, you understand the purpose for the exam schedule for today?
Yes, sir.
You've discussed your rights and options?
Yes, sir.
You understand all those?
Yes.
You understand that a waiver means your next court date's gonna be downtown?
Yes.
And that's what you want to do today is waive?
Yes.
All right, ladies, are you satisfied with the waiver?
Yes, Judge, thank you. Yes, defense is satisfied.
All right. AOI date should be 25th.
Thank you.
That'll be at 9 AM. Bond is continued. Let's see. Looks like you've got another court date coming up on January 30 with some other files. You know about those? Arraignment pretrial on a Drovewell license not valid and a traffic matter from Romulus.
Yeah, yeah.
All right, thank you, ladies.
Thank you. Judge, you said the date that was January 30th.
25th.
Sorry, for the other case.
Oh, January 30th by Zoom.
Okay, is there a copy of that notice to appear that I can?
I can make you one.
Thank you.
Anything else ready?
Yes, Mr. Obi.
Come on up. Appearances.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Rima Yakufi on behalf of the people, P82800.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Nijad Mihan appearing on behalf of Mr. Simon Colby, P59371.
And we holding? What are we doing?
Today's the date and time set for a preliminary exam. The people move to dismiss this case for insufficient evidence.
I'm assuming it's, thank you. And Mr. Obi, it looks like, did you post the bond or somebody posted it for you?
Somebody posted it for you.
All right, well, that somebody's gonna get 90% of it back.
Okay, cool, we did it. My dad. Okay, so we can go.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hey, Joe,
No, I understand.
you know anything about these formal hearings? Patterson was one. Patterson, Ayab. Okay. All right, then Patterson was at 11.
Yeah, I got one night off.
Did that one come out?
Yeah.
Yeah, that came out.
Okay,
The only one.
we'll just wait in the hallway.
Yeah, I'll send you over.
Okay, thank you.
Oh, that was
No,
Patterson?
don't apologize. I just
Okay,
didn't want
okay.
to disappear.
Do you know anything about formal hearing on Ayab? Okay. Well, we got caught up to the 12 o'clock.
Yeah, I think the vote to 315 is already dealt with also.
Okay.
I don't have anybody on anything up till noon.
All right, thanks. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.